Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located in Horizon Park, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, is this beautifully kept and very spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single level home with a gorgeous low maintenance lawn with a water fountain, beautiful front porch and back patio. The home sits on 12,235 square feet lot and boasts air conditioned unit in every room, an automatic front gate and back garage, solar and electric water heater, an alarm system, and 2 water tanks. The home is clad with ceramic tile and boasts a gorgeous decoramastic roof. Other features include living and dining area, a kitchen, and the very necessary mosquito screen. Security system, garden area, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled. House is being sold furnished, central located to Santa Cruz town, family oriented, landscaped and level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $33 million or US $214,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.